Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple process of how to report a chat on the X app. Whether you've come across something inappropriate or just need to flag a message for review, this quick guide will show you every step so you can handle it confidently. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom navigation bar and tap on the message icon. This will take you straight into your inbox, where you can see all of your recent conversations. Now find the chat you want to report. Instead of just opening it, press and hold on that conversation. Holding down on the chat will bring up a set of options, giving you control over what you want to do with that particular thread. From the menu that appears, tap on Report. This is the option designed specifically for situations where you need to let the platform know about an issue. Choosing this will begin the reporting process. Depending on the situation, you may be asked to select a reason for reporting. Just follow the prompts provided by the app, so the platform has the right details to review the case accurately. Reporting is an important tool that helps keep the X community safe and respectful. Every report you make is treated seriously, and it allows moderators to step in where necessary. Remember, it's better to report a problematic conversation than to ignore it. And that's it. You've successfully reported a chat on the X app. The process is fast, straightforward, and designed to give you peace of mind. Anytime you come across a chat that violates guidelines or makes you feel uncomfortable, you now know exactly what steps to take. Thank you for watching.